Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to switch between new and classic email builders in Mailchimp. If you've been working with Mailchimp's email campaigns, you might want to toggle between the modern builder and the classic one, depending on your workflow preferences. Let's walk through how to make this switch. First, open your browser and head over to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Mailchimp dashboard where you can access all your campaign tools and settings. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several account options. This is your gateway to managing your account preferences and settings. From that drop-down menu, select Account and Billing. This section houses all the core settings related to your Mailchimp account, including billing information, user preferences, and workspace configurations. It's where you'll find the tools to customize how Mailchimp works for you. Next, locate the Settings drop-down menu within the Account and Billing section. Click on it to expand your options. You'll see several choices here, but we're interested in one specific area. From the Settings drop-down, choose Details. This brings you to a page where you can view and modify various account details and preferences. It's the control center for how your Mailchimp account operates on a day-to-day basis. Once you're on the Details page, scroll down until you find the Default Email Builder section. This is where Mailchimp allows you to choose which email builder you want to use as your standard interface when creating campaigns. The new builder offers a more modern, streamlined experience, while the legacy builder maintains the classic interface that many users are familiar with. Now click on either New Builder or Legacy Builder, depending on which one you want to set as your default. This selection determines which interface will automatically load whenever you start creating a new email campaign. After making your selection, take a moment to verify that a checkmark appears next to your chosen builder. This checkmark confirms that your preference has been saved and will now be applied to all future email campaigns you create. And that's it. You've successfully switched your default email builder in Mailchimp, giving you full control over which interface you work with. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.